In this video, we will be going over how to register for a general activity with the Parks and Recreation Department. So again, on our city website, upperarlingtonohio.gov, if you hit on Departments and Services, and you can hit on Activity Registration, this will take you directly to our activity registration website. And here in the top right-hand corner, you will go ahead and log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, it will say the name of the account in the top right-hand corner and your account number up there. So just make sure that it shows a name, and then you know you're registered and signed up. And then you can scroll down and look for the programs that you're into. So you can either use the Enroll Program button, which allows you to go to a search function and you can type in keywords. So if you were looking for a Silver Sneakers program, you could just type in Silver Sneakers in the keyword search, and then it will bring up everything that is to do with Silver Sneakers. The other option that you can do to search for a program is by hitting on our activity guide. This will take you to our flipbook, and you can scroll through and find the activity that you are interested in. On whatever page it is, and then when you click on that program, it will take you through to that exact program if it's still available. So we're finding the program that we want to register for, which we would do ballroom dancing. And so then it will bring up all of the sessions that you can sign up for. Now, in order to add this program to your cart, you'll need to hit the select button on the side where it says add cart. And when you hit that, a pop-up will appear in the bottom of your screen, right down here. And then you will need to hit add to cart again. Here it will take you through to the page where it has the family member selection, which members of the household you are trying to register for that program, and it will normally filter it out by the rules of the program. So only 2 people show up in this area on this account because only 2 people are old enough to take this class. You can then select both the people that you want to take it, or if you just want one, you hit the select button, so the green check mark appears, and then you hit continue. And then you will follow through the prompts here, and on the waiver you will go down, scroll and click I agree and hit continue. And then this will now appear in your shopping cart. From here you will just hit proceed to checkout, where you will go ahead and put in your credit card details and hit continue. And then you have registered for a program. You can also register for multiple programs at once. So once it's in the shopping cart, you can hit continue to shop and add more programs to the cart if you would like to do multiple programs in one transaction.